here's how you add images or gifs to the Chrome new tab screen. So I'm gonna start by going to the Chrome web store. And then here we're gonna go to Blue Pig Vibes. So search that up. This one right here. And we're going to add it to Chrome. Say add extension. Okay, it's gonna load for a minute. Okay, now we are all good. Yeah, if you have other computers and you want this Chrome extension on them as well, you can turn on sync. I'll leave that off for now, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin this. So I just went to the puzzle piece, pin that, Blue Pig Vibes, and then now we open up a new tab. We are going to, let's start by changing the background color actually. Okay, get a nice pink, and you can go anything. And then we can choose an image to upload. So you can search this image up anywhere. I've gone and downloaded this one. So let's choose an image or GIF. Here we go. I think this is it. And then we'll hit upload. And there we are. It is here. And as you can see right now, I cannot move it. But if I go into edit mode, I can now drag it around as I like. I can rotate it, I can resize it. I'll keep it like that, and then you can always turn the edit mode off or refresh. And you can do this as much as you want. You can add a lot of GIFs, you can add a lot of images, and really collage this and make it your own. But it just functions like a regular new tab screen. So you can refresh, you can search something here, so it's all good. That's how it works. So that's how it works. Blue Pig Vibes.